Hello friends, in today's video we will learn how to change a curtain design using Photoshop. So let's start. First, choose the object selection tool. Click on a part of the curtain to select it. To select more parts, hold Shift and click on them. After selecting, go to the layer menu, click on New and choose Layer via Copy. A new layer with the selected part will appear. Now go to the filter menu, select blur and then Gaussian blur. Set radius to 2.6 pixels. This will make your design look smooth. Bring in the design you want to add to the curtain. To make a copy, press Ctrl plus Alt key and drag it. Select both copies and convert to a smart object. Also convert the curtain layer to a smart object. Press Alt and move the cursor between the two layers. The design will blend into the curtain. Now go to Set Blending Mode or Selection Layer and choose Multiply. Click Add a layer style, then select Blending option. Hold Alt and adjust the underlaying layer slider until the design blends well. Click OK when done. That's it. Your curtain now has a fresh new design. If you liked this video, please like, comment and subscribe. We will bring more simple and fun tutorials for you. See you in the next video. Thank you.